Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kecia Holden and this is another quarantine tutorial. So as you can see, my entire face is done, including my blush. There's a good reason for that. I wanted to highlight a Black-owned beauty brand today. It is their second anniversary of doing excellent service and catering to women of color like me. And we're gonna highlight Prime Beauty. It's their second anniversary, so I wanted to send a shout out to Shamika and the good folks at Prime Beauty, and thank you for all you do. So let me tell you a little bit about Prime. Prime Beauty Cosmetics is a brand created to remind women of color that our beauty needs are primary. This indie brand is a fun celebration of our beauty, our cultures, and all that we contribute to the world. Ladies, you are loved and appreciated. So thank you, Shamika, for that. And because it's their second anniversary, she does have a sale. Go over to Prime Beauty and enter the code year2, YEARTWO, and you will receive 20% off everything on the site. Yes, let's get into the look. I'm actually gonna start with my bronzer because I haven't put that on yet. So I feel a little washed out. It is very, very gray outside where I am here in the great state of Connecticut, but that's okay. Still gonna be a great day regardless. Next up, I wanna finish my brows with that bronzer as well and just go right here to the front of the brow. Bring it down just a little. It's like a cheek contour. I don't necessarily contour my nose, but you wanna finish off my brows and this just gives it a really nice look. Gyal palette. I haven't used this much, I admit, but today was just a perfect day to do it. So I'm gonna go in first with this color here, and it's called Dulce de Leche. And the name is what it says. It's Island Gyal. You have stuff from Trini, you got some Dominican stuff, mojito, Bajan, rum cake, yardi. It's so much fun. And I'm using that in my transition for my transition color. Just gives us a nice backdrop to the look that we're going for today. Now I'm gonna deepen that color with a little Bajan. We have Bajan. What's next? Dominicana. And that's this color right here. Don't be afraid of it. It's gonna work. It's gonna be beautiful. All over the crease. Just bring that lower into the lid. You're basically surrounding your eye with that color. I got you right where I want you, baby. Next up, I want to deepen that color a little bit. What's it look without rum cake? So go in the outer crease. Blend that all the way around. Right into the inner corner as well. And take that color and go right under here. Let me get some tea. Next up, to add a little interest in the center of that eye, I'm gonna go right here into Coquito. Coquito. And I'm flipping my brush upside down because I want to go straight to my lash line. Get real close to that lash line so there aren't any gaps between colors. And then if you must, go back in and blend your Dominicana and blend your rum cake in there. You just want to go from gold to pink. So just for something fun, we're gonna go into loose pigment. This one is called Diamond Princess. So I'm gonna take that and just go right over the gold we just laid down. And that just kind of brightens the look and opens up the eye just a little bit more. And take some of that Diamond Princess again and go right here in your brow bone. Careful though, don't go crazy. Now I'm going to take that same loose pigment and then go down the nose here. And don't forget your inner corner. So that's it for the prime products that I wanted to highlight today. I'm gonna finish the rest off camera and I'll be right back. I am over here talking to myself up a storm. When in doubt, mix works out. Judge your moms. Stop coming for me, girl. So that's it, that's the look. I hope you enjoyed today's quarantine tutorial, and I also hope that you will go visit Prime Beauty on their website and order a couple of products from them. Get the bronzers are incredible. And don't forget, you can save 20% right now because of their anniversary by using code YEARTWO, YEARTWO. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, buy the book. All of the information is down below in the description box. If you follow me on Instagram, there's a link in my bio that you can have access to everything. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.